Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to make a cooling flower with the help of gum. For that we need 600 millimeter length strip, paper strip, two purple strips of 300 and one red strip of 150 So let's start from the purple one. Make this same, the other purple you have to make like this. We make two purples. Now we will start with the red. Red, you have to use the strategy. Now red one also ready. Now it's time to this one you have to use the cooling tool and make a coil. Multicolor coil you have to make this with cooling tools. This one. Now we will make purple one this shape, also this shape, and red one we have to make it you can use also scissor if you want to make a good shape. And make this one. This shape, and also put the glue on here. In this shape. Now friends, we make 8 purple red petals or leaf of that, 8 rounds. So now we will make them together a stick. Let it dry. Now friends, we have to join the coils with flower one by one like this. Everyone, all the coils we have to make the join with flower. Now friends, we done it. We make very nice and easy cauliflower. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like our video, please comment below the video and subscribe, share it, like it. If you want ask to anything about any video, feel free and ask us. So see you until next video. We will meet very soon. Allah Hafiz.